this is Leslie and I'm so happy to be in another of these videos because it's been so long since I did a video or a makeup tutorial because I've been so busy with school, with life, and I've just been going through so many things. If you want to find out more about that, I actually made a post on my Instagram. You can check it out down below. I'm going to give you the link to my Instagram down below in the description box. So if you want to know about that, you can go right there in the description box. Today I'm going to be showing you how to recreate this makeup look. The only thing I'm using is some Pixie Beauty brushes and the Anastasia Subculture palette, which I think it's a palette that is so underrated. I think it has amazing pigmentation, so many cute colors, and it just has a little fallout, but you can totally clean that afterwards or do your eyes before doing your full face makeup. But yeah, anyways, I hope that you really like it, and if you do so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, don't forget that you can do so by subscribing the button down below. I think it's like over here or here, I don't know, but it's right there. And yeah, with no further ado, let's get into the video. So I'm gonna be taking the palette Subculture and taking the shade Edge right here, which is a yellowish shade, and I'm gonna be applying it all over my eyelid. By the way, I'm using these brushes from Pixie. I don't know the exact name of these brushes, but I'm gonna show you the packet in just a second of like how they came. And one thing I love about Pixie is that they're totally vegan and cruelty free, so you're completely sure that you're helping the environment, and it's something natural that you can totally use on your face, and it's like healthy. So I wanted to show you the package. It looks like this. It says Pixie right here, and it comes with like 3 brushes, which are these ones, and they're like a travel size brushes, which I think is like super cool because in here in this box you can fit more than 3 brushes. You can take all your brushes whenever you travel, and it's like this. This is a blending brush. This is more like applying I don't know, glitter or something like that. And then there's other brushes kind of like smaller than a blending brush. I'm gonna be taking this shade Mercury from the same Subculture palette and apply it all over my crease as like my transition color. I wanted to first apply my like base on my eyelid, and now I'm doing the transition shade. I'm gonna apply also a tiny bit of the shade Roxy to make this more of a warm color. Now I'm gonna go back and take the smaller brush and go back with the shade Edge, which is the yellow shade, and I'm gonna back and apply it all over my eyelid to kind of like blend the transition shade with the one that I applied first. I'm gonna also add a little bit of setting spray to this shade so that it's more vibrant and has a lot more color to it. Now I'm gonna take this other blending brush and blend all these 2 shades together. I'm gonna take a little bit of the shade New Wave right here, which is more of an orangey shade, and I'm gonna apply that to the outer corner of my eye and kind of like deepen that color on the outside of the eye. With the same brush, I'm gonna take a bit more of the fudge shade and apply it to the outer corner because, like I said, I'm trying to deepen this out, and I'm probably gonna combine it a little bit with a darker shade, maybe like black or something like that. So I'm gonna look through all their palettes and I'm gonna start doing that. gonna clean all of that fallout. So I'm gonna take some concealer and a brush and clean all of that. And then I'll see you in a minute to apply some eyeliner and some fake eyelashes. To clean this up, I'm using the concealer H1 from Maybelline. And I drag it to the outer corner of my eye so I can make like a straight line. You could also, like, before starting with all of this, just use tape, and that will save you a lot of time for this. But I don't know, I've just been so used to doing it this way, like just clean it afterwards. But you can do it either way. Now for eyeliner, I'm using this Mexican eyeliner, and it has green tea, so it's like so good for your lash line. I'm helping them grow stronger, longer. So yeah, I'm gonna be applying this. I've been using this for a while, and it's one of my favorite liquid eyeliners. I don't really like gel or like the pan eyeliners because I feel like they don't last all day, and this is the only one that I've had that lasts like probably up to 12 hours or longer than that. So I'm gonna apply this. And for lashes, I'm going to be using these fake eyelashes from Lashaholic. These are luxury lashes, and they have a lot of volume. So let's put them on. To finish this up, I'm going to be taking the same shade Edge right here and apply it along the New Wave shade and apply it on my lower lash line. And then I can apply some mascara on the lower lash line and finish up with some highlighter, bronzer, and just finishing up with the whole face. And one more thing, I'm going to be taking the shade right here. It's called Cube, and I'm going to use it as highlighter for the inner corner of my eye. So thank you so much for watching. I loved making these videos. I missed it so much, and I miss you guys a lot more. So thank you so much for supporting me and being here watching this video. It means a lot to me, and it means even more if you can give this video a big thumbs up and share it with anyone, your friends. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and being here, and I hope I'll see you on the next one. Thank you so much. Bye bye.